Moisture control is critical for food manufacturing. Here's why. Have you ever wondered how some businesses maintain consistent quality across all their food products? From snacks and dried fruits to pet food and baked goods, they keep producing quality food all year round. 3 ways moisture control can make your food magical. 1. Improve texture. The texture of your food depends a lot on the moisture level. For example, too much moisture can ruin your food by making it sticky, mushy, or even crumbly. 2. Increase shelf life. The more moisture your food has, the more the microbial activity. High moisture content can make your food a thriving ground for all sorts of bacteria, making your product more likely to rot. 3. Meet legal requirements. Regulatory bodies all over the world are fighting hard to ensure food manufacturers follow all the local and national regulations. Depending on your locality and the type of food you produce, you will generally be required to share detailed descriptions of your analysis process.